Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to share with you the essential gardening toolkit, the 10 must-have tools for every green thumb. First up is the reliable pair of gardening gloves. Protect your hands from cuts, thorns, and dirt while working in the garden. Next, we have the trusty trowel, perfect for digging holes, transplanting seedlings, and loosening soil. Don't forget about the handy hand pruners. Use them to trim plants, cut flowers, and trim branches. A quality garden rake is essential for leveling soil, removing debris, and spreading mulch. For more heavy-duty jobs, the garden fork comes in handy. It's great for turning soil, breaking up clumps, and preparing garden beds. The watering can is a must-have tool for any gardener. Keep your plants hydrated and thriving with a gentle and controlled water flow. To support your growing plants, you'll need a sturdy set of plant stakes. These will help keep your flowers, vegetables, and fruits upright and thriving. For pruning larger branches, the lopper is your go-to tool. It'll make cutting through thicker stems and branches a breeze. The garden hoe is perfect for weeding, cultivating, and creating furrows for planting seeds. Last but not least, the garden apron is a lifesaver for keeping your tools close at hand. With pockets for your gloves, pruners, and more, you'll always be ready to tackle any gardening task. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.